Hello everyone, Oliver from Scholarcy here. In this video we're going to take a look at exporting from Scholarcy and what the many different export options can do for you. Let's dive right in. You can find the option to export your articles from within the folder view or from the reading view of the article itself. There are plenty of different options to suit any workflow, and in this video we're going to run through why they're useful and how you can benefit from them. Let's start off with Word. By exporting to Word, you can really easily customize your reading experience even further. You'll have access to a wide variety of fonts, and you can also use third-party apps like screen readers and screen filters that interface directly with Word itself to have a more enjoyable reading experience. Also in Word, you can bulk export a large collection of articles. You can use this to generate a literature synthesis. This is a fantastic way of gaining a much deeper understanding of the nuance of all of these articles, how they fit together, and any similarities and differences that can occur. Similar to Word, bulk exporting to the Excel format can be a fantastic way to take a fine-grained, detailed look at a large collection of articles. In one file, you can contain all of the pertinent information, all of the methods, all of the results, the contributions, any key findings they've had. So you can look at all of these alongside each other without having to flick back and forth between multiple articles or scrolling from the top of an article down to the bottom whilst constantly losing your place. It's a fantastic way to compare different methods and results without having the stress of flicking back and forth between multiple files. The PowerPoint export offers a powerful option for readers trying to reduce distractions whilst focusing on one article at a time. The export option will transform your structured summary into a series of slides which you can focus on once at a time to read at your own pace. Going full screen will also mean that you reduce distractions by not seeing your browser tabs or your email ticking up in the background whilst you're just trying to focus on your core reading. Scholarcy also includes the option to export to the Markdown format, which is a fantastic way to integrate your collection of flashcards in Scholarcy to your favourite Second Brain app. Check out our tutorial on exporting to Obsidian, which will allow you to create knowledge maps in the click of a button. And if you want to make citing articles in your own work simple, choose Scholarcy's RAS export. The RAS option will export the citation data for just the article that you're looking at, whereas the references option will export the entire bibliography. You can use these files in any citation manager, and citing will be a breeze. So with that, you now know how to take advantage of Scholarcy's many export options. Try these for yourself and see how it makes Scholarcy's flashcards fit even more effectively into your existing workflow. Let us know in the comment section down below what you think, and thank you very much for watching.